Okay, so I just wanted to do a very beginner style lesson on this song, just focusing on really basic standard chords and standard tuning, and let's get into it. So you're going to start on a G chord, so I'll put that up on the screen. And what you're going to do is you're going to just pluck the lowest two notes of that chord, then strum the chord, and then pluck the lowest note in the chord again. So that's the pattern for all these chords. Lowest two notes, and followed by the lowest note. Lowest two note, strum, lowest note. All right. Then you're going to go to a D. You're going to do the same thing. So in this case, D, G, strum, and then pluck the D. All right, so we got... starting to make sense. Then you're going to go to E minor. Then B7. Then C. Now we're going to do this altered C minor chord that I thought was a little easier than playing a bar chord. Right? Then you're going to go back to G. And you'll do the pattern twice, and then it starts over. So let's try the whole piece. So that's the last little piece there. You just hammer second fret of the D, and then go right back to your G chord again. All right. So the B section of this song sounds like this. So let's take a look at that. First, we're going to walk down the low E string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open E right into your E minor. All right, one more. And you're going to go to your B7, back to your E minor, now to an A. Then C, C minor, back to G. All right, so let's try that piece one more time. So now the third section of this song sounds like this. Alright, so we're going to start on a C chord, again still sticking to the same pluck and strum pattern. Then you go to a D. Now we're going to go to a G. We're going to play the G slightly different. Use your ring finger here on the low E string, 3rd fret, and then your pinky up here on the 3rd fret of the high E. Then you're going to pluck the low E, the D, strum, and that is just a suspended version of the G chord. So you add your index finger, 1st fret of the B, middle finger, 2nd fret of the D. You strum, just strum the higher strings. So you got one more time. Then it's going to do that again. Then the last round you go C, D, E minor, A minor, twice, D. All right, let's go through all that whole piece. Last time. All right, well, I hope that helps you get a good start on this song. If you need help with strumming, check out my course. I'm going to link it in the description and pin it to the top comment, and I will see you on the next video.